Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment in South Carolina. First, determine if you meet the eligibility criteria. You must be unemployed through no fault of your own and have earned sufficient wages during your base period. Additionally, you need to be physically able to work and actively seeking new employment. Checking these requirements upfront will save you time and ensure a smoother application process. It's a crucial first step. Next, gather all necessary documents to streamline your application. You'll need your Social Security number, a valid form of identification, and your complete employment history for the past 18 months. Be sure to include details for each employer, such as company names, addresses, phone numbers, and the specific reasons for your separation. Having this information organized beforehand will make filling out the online forms much easier and faster. Now it's time to submit your application. The easiest way is online through the South Carolina Department of Employment and Workforce website. Carefully fill out all sections, ensuring accuracy and completeness. After applying, you must certify your eligibility weekly to continue receiving benefits. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information or documentation, as this helps prevent delays in processing your claim. After submitting your application, you can expect a decision on your claim within a few weeks. You will likely receive a monetary determination letter outlining your potential benefit amount. If approved, benefits are typically paid weekly, either through direct deposit or a state-issued debit card. If your claim is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision within the specified time frame, usually 10 days from the mailing date of the determination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.